Here, answer the autumn riddle. Maple and oak know the number of their own leaves, but they don't know the number of leaves of the other. A squirrel told them that they have consecutive number of leaves, and now they want to figure out how many leaves the other have. Maple starts with I don't know, then oak says I don't know, each of them says 3, I don't know, until Maple says I know it now. How many leaves do they have? If Maple would have 0 leaves, it would have started with I know, and then oak would know that Maple has 0 and then it has 1, and it would say I know it too. When Maple says I don't know, it means it doesn't have 0, and if oak would have 1, it would know that Maple must have 2. And it will say, I know it, but it says, I don't know, which means it doesn't have 0 and doesn't have 1. Maple knows it, and if Maple would have 1 or 2, it would now know that Oak must have 2 and 3. But Maple says, I don't know, therefore Oak knows that Maple doesn't have 1 and doesn't have 2. Next time Oak says, I don't know, it means that Oak doesn't have 2 and doesn't have 3. Next time Maple says, I don't know, it means it doesn't have 3 and doesn't have 4. Then Oak says, I don't know, it means it doesn't have 4 and doesn't have 5. And then when Maple says, I know it, it's because it has 5 or 6, and Oak must have 1 more. Bye bye!